राधिका, अब सही हो गया तुम्हारा लैपटॉप?
ये सब पापा ने ठीक कर दिया, पता नहीं क्या करे।
क्या बात है।
मेरे पापा जूम नहीं चल रहा था, उन्होंने एक मीटिंग शेड्यूल करी, देखा पता नहीं कुछ तो हो रहा था, फिर ठीक कर दिया।
हम्म। तुम्हें आना चाहिए था, बच्चे ज्यादा होते हैं टेक्निकली सुपीरियर।
मैं लैपटॉप से नहीं हूँ, फोन से आप मुझसे कुछ भी करवा लो।
ऐसे
लैपटॉप मैं
थोड़ी।
यूज ही नहीं करती। लैपटॉप बस मैं क्लास खोलने के लिए ही खोलती हूँ, बाकी मैं लैपटॉप पे कुछ करती
तुम्हें
नहीं।
पता है, तुम्हें पता है कि तुम जब क्या कहते हैं, जब तुम लोग कंप्यूटर साइंस ही तो ज्वाइन करोगे मोस्ट ऑफ यू।
हाँ,
तुम्हारा काम कंप्यूटर से ही होने वाला है।
पता है, वो सीख लूंगी तो।
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है।
मुझे तो अभी वो QWERTY वाला भी नहीं आता टाइपिंग। मतलब आराम आराम से एक एक करके लिखते हैं।
नहीं भैया, ऐसे नहीं होता है। तुम्हें स्ट्रांग बनना पड़ेगा। मुझे
वो
यही
तो
तो
है,
समझ
वो
में नहीं आ रहा
करेंगे।
था, मुझे यही समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, देखो। अब मैं ठीक कर लेता हूँ, मतलब करो, मुझे आता है, लेकिन देखो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जो है ना, वो यूजुअली ज्यादा स्मार्ट होती है, हम लोगों से ज्यादा
मैं
स्मार्ट तुम लोग हो।
देखो सर, जो डिवाइस यूज करती है उस पर स्मार्ट हो गया। मैं फोन ज्यादा यूज करती हूँ, तो फोन का जो भी होता है मेरे पास ही आता है। कोई घर पर भी, पापा भी मेरे पास आते हैं,
सही कर देते
क्योंकि
हो
मैं
सब।
फोन। हाँ, उतना आइडिया है ना, फोन लाइक डेली यूज पे मैं ही करती हूँ सबसे ज्यादा। कोई अगर कोई अकाउंट सस्पेंड या बैन हो रहा हो, जैसे पापा अगर
हम्म।
फेसबुक चला रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम चला रहे हैं, तो वहाँ की चीजें मुझे ज्यादा आइडिया।
अच्छा।
जहाँ आइडिया नहीं है वहां मैं नहीं घुसती।
हम्म।
अच्छा, आज क्वाड्रेटिक कर रहे हैं। तो क्वाड्रेटिक के मुझे एक दो चीजें नहीं समझ आई थी, मैं कर रही थी।
जैसे?
वो कॉमन ग्राफ्स, पहली बात तो वो पैराबोला वाले।
अच्छा, वो। ओके।
वो वो थोड़े बहुत लाइक शुरू करे थे, हो गया था। न्यूटन्स फॉर्मूला भी हो गया। मुझे वो कॉमन रूट विद ओनली वन कॉमन रूट वाला नहीं समझ आया, जिसमें जैसे एक कोई इक्वेशन है जिसके कॉमन रूट है अल्फा बीटा, और दूसरे के अल्फा और गामा, तो अल्फा अल्फा है।
हम्म।
तो उसमें जब आपको कोई एक क्वेश्चन दिया हो उसके रिगार्डिंग वाला, वो नहीं हो रहा था मुझसे।
जिसमें एक ही कॉमन रूट होता है।
एक ही कॉमन रूट होता है, उसके केसेस नहीं समझ आए। अगर दोनों कॉमन है तो चलेगा, वो तो आसान है, उसे वैल्यू बस पुट करनी है।
उसको एक्चुअली उसको सॉल्व करने का एक बहुत इजी तरीका होता है। वो क्या नाम है, पता नहीं तुम लोगों को पढ़ा है कि नहीं। क्रैमर्स रूल जानते हो? क्रैमर्स रूल से सॉल्व करते हो।
नहीं, अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं।
क्रैमर्स रूल से सॉल्व होता है, और उसमें थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज डिटर्मिनेंट की चाहिए होती है।
अच्छा।
हम्म। कोई बात नहीं, अपन कर लेंगे, सब कर लेंगे अपन। हम्म। हम्म। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस। देखो, क्वाड्रेटिक एक पार्ट है। अच्छा, हिंदी में क्यों? क्वाड्रेटिक इज एक्चुअली वन पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल। ओके। जैसे पॉलिनोमियल्स, तुम्हें क्वाड्रेटिक एक पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल है। जैसे पॉलिनोमियल किसको अपन कहते हैं? व्हाट वी नो बाय पॉलिनोमियल्स, polynomials are of this form. Means it is, for example, if I say f of x is a function, it will be a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus and so on, an x power n. This is said to be a polynomial of n degree. Okay. अब इसमें भी ना, पॉलिनोमियल्स में भी कुछ रियल पॉलिनोमियल्स होते हैं, कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स पॉलिनोमियल्स होते हैं। The differentiation between them is, one is said to be real polynomial. Real polynomials are those in which A0, A1, A2, A3, they all are real numbers. Real numbers, you very well know what are real numbers. And the complex polynomial is the polynomial in which A0, A1, A2, A3, they all are complex numbers. Since you do not know something about complex numbers, I'll give you an example. Real numbers, you know, we represent them by real numbers. They are, you can take any number from minus infinity to infinity. It can be minus 0.32, 0.32, 0.2, 0.1, 1, 1.6, minus 1.6, like that. Any number that you can take from minus infinity to infinity comes under the real numbers. Why we say it is a real number? Real numbers are numbers which actually exist. Okay, really. Now, what are complex numbers? Complex numbers are those numbers which we use in calculation, but they are only used in calculation. In reality, they do not exist. Means they are of this type. Complex numbers are of this type. Z
Complex
is
number में iota
Z is equal to A plus IB. This is
और
I. This I
with
is
complex conjugate figure.
correct. This I is iota, and what it represents an imaginary point. Means
Negative
negative नहीं है.
under root. -1 under root.
नहीं
पता नहीं था.
कॉन्जुगेट की बात नहीं हो रही है.
नहीं iota की बात कर रहे हैं.
आयोटा की.
इसकी
But
value.
you have to know what is iota, na? So if anyone does not know, they have to know that what is iota. A complex number Z is equal to A plus IB is represented in a plane, like in a coordinate plane, like it is A comma B, where this represents the I. I means imaginary axis, which does not exist in reality, and this is your real axis. Okay, so in short, but you do not have to go in detail for this, but you should understand that these numbers are complex numbers which are represented as A plus IB, and when these coefficients are complex, the polynomial made from them is known as the complex polynomial. That's all. Now I said this is a polynomial of degree n. What we know by the degree, the highest x power that a polynomial can have is known as its degree, right? Everything clear? Okay. Okay, Haripriya. Haripriya is there. Kanishka. Yes, na? Okay. This part is simple, I think. Now, the quadratic equations can be written like this. Now, coming to your quadratic equations, we'll come directly to the point. You're studying quadratic equations. Now, what are the quadratic equations? Quadratic equations are represented in this form. Example, ax square plus bx plus c. It can be either 3x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, or minus 9x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x square plus 2x is equal to 0 can also be quadratic, or 2x square is equal to 0 can also be quadratic. Why we say it is a quadratic? We say it is a quadratic because the highest power is 2. X highest power is 2. That's why means degree is 2. That's known as quadratic equation. Now, when we come to this, we know this is a quadratic equation. But how do we solve it? For solving the quadratic equation, we actually use few methods. Directly come to the point. Initially you will feel this chapter is easy, but why we deal with this chapter in detail, because actually it helps you solve higher level questions easily. Solution of quadratic equations, the methods are, first method is factorization method, that you already know. You guys very well know this one. So this is not new to you. Most of the times you are actually doing this unknowingly. What is this? In this, when a ax square plus bx plus c is given to you, you try to write it in this form, x minus alpha into x minus beta form. Or if you want, you can take a common. Taking a common, a into x minus alpha into x minus beta, like that you can write factorization method. And then accordingly, for solving it, what you will do, because ax square plus bx plus c was equal to 0, you will put a into x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. So the solutions you are going to get is x is equal to either alpha or beta. Okay, this is one way, easier way. So now, this is first method. I'll give you an example, but it's not needed because I know you are very well. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 example I'm giving. You will easily find out its.
So it was minus 3x plus x plus 1 हो गए, तो वहाँ से 3x कॉमन ले लो, x प्लस बना है.
हाँ पता है मुझे, ये इजी है ना. this will solve very easily. X minus 1 into 3x plus 1. That's why I was not asking you, asking anyone about this, because I know you will solve it very easily. X is equal to 1 or minus 1 by 3. Okay now? This we know. Now the other method is, this is one factorization method. You sometimes what happens, it's not easy to factorize things. Then comes your Hindu method or Shri Dronacharya method.
Quadratic.
You know this Hindu method. Okay.
ब्रह्मास्त्र कहते हैं हमें तो.
क्या बताया?
ब्रह्मास्त्र मेथड.
ब्रह्मास्त्र.
अलग.
Shri, it's not Dronacharya, it's Dharacharya.
हमें बोलते कुछ नहीं और ब्रह्मास्त्र लगा देना, निकल जाएगा आंसर.
Actually, you should know the name.
इससे सारे आंसर निकल जाते हैं.
हाँ, see, by unknowingly, actually, you use this method, but you do not know the name. Right, Haripriya? Achha, let me tell you what this method is. Haripriya.
Sir, we learned it in grade 9 and 10.
Achha, you knew this Hindu method?
It's like x is equal to
Minus b.
Minus b square plus or minus root of b square.
Oh, then you guys are well ahead of me, because when I was like this now, when I was like, when I was in class 11, I did not know what is this Hindu method is. But I used to use this method many times. The method is, when ax square plus bx plus c is there, this is equal to 0. Then x, the roots are, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So the two roots that you are going to get, alpha 1 and alpha 1 root is, this alpha 1 is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other root will be alpha 2 is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two roots that you usually get by factorization method. If you do not factorize in the above method, you can use this also to get the factors. Okay, this is the thing. There are few conditions also in this, because the roots, whether the roots are real, imaginary, it depends on this value, because b square minus 4ac is in root. Now, if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, what the roots are real, na? Actually, they should be greater than 0. Roots are real. Why? Because if b square minus 4ac is positive, then only you'll get some value, positive value. If b square minus 4ac is not positive, it will become negative. Then I don't know you know this or not. If some negative value is there, some minus x, then you have to use complex number. I square is equal to minus 1 root over I square into x. In that case, I root x will become, so this becomes the complex part. So we say roots are imaginary. Haripriya, Kanishka, Radhika, I think she knows. But Kanishka and Haripriya, do you know this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complex. Okay, everyone knows that. Okay, good. So the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That means roots are real. The second case is this part, actually everyone knows. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. The roots are imaginary. And the third part is, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are equal. This you can find out using your this one, alpha 1 and alpha 2, because two roots are there. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, you'll get only one value, minus b by 2a for both. And here alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2 is equal to minus b by 2a will be your answer. Here alpha 1 comma alpha 2 will be equal to minus b plus or minus I root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the roots. Here two roots will be alpha 1 comma alpha 2 is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a.
ये तो सिर्फ 10th में करा हुआ है।
ये तुमने करा हुआ है, लेकिन कुछ और भी चीजें हैं। मतलब ये वो तब वो वाले केसेस हैं, दे आर दोज केसेस व्हेन ए बी सी आर रियल। जब ए बी सी रियल नहीं होते ना, तो थोड़ी डिफरेंट चीजें होती हैं। व्हेन दे आर नॉट रियल, तो उसके केस में जो कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स आते हैं ना, तो उसमें कुछ और भी चीजें होती हैं। मतलब व्हेन ए बी सी आर नॉट रियल, थोड़ी चीजें डिफरेंट हो जाती हैं। जैसे इसमें रियल नहीं है, देन यू विल गेट, उसमें केसेस आते हैं। इफ वन रूट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स, से अल्फा प्लस आई बीटा, then its conjugate alpha minus I beta is also a root. ये रूल होता है। अगर किसी क्वाड्रेटिक में अल्फा प्लस आई बीटा मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स, ये वो आ रहा है, अल्फा प्लस आई बीटा कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आ रहा है मतलब रूट, तो इसका कॉन्जुगेट भी उसका एक रूट होगा ही होगा, ये भी बहुत जरूरी होता है। सिमिलरली इफ वन रूट इज अल्फा प्लस रूट बीटा, then its conjugate, then not conjugate, then alpha minus root beta is also its root. ये भी एक रूल होता है, ये रूल बताना चाह रहा था मैं एक्चुअली। So now let's solve some questions. It's just the basic of quadratic. Let's try solving this. देखो एक और भी चीजें होती है, there are few other things also that I did not tell you by now, but I think you will be knowing it, but let me check you know it or not. If ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic and alpha comma beta are its roots, okay, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is there, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. This is also a thing. Also, they will satisfy also. Also, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is 0. A beta square plus b beta plus c is also equal to 0. Okay, these are the conditions. I think this also you knew. Yes, na? Radhik? Ah, I know. Now try solving this question.
और बाकियों के लिए को कुछ होता है, डी बाई हो गया, अगर बड़ी हो जाती है कोई नंबर,
हाँ वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा एक्चुअली।
वो प्लस माइनस ऑल्टरनेटली लगा दो।
मैं बाद में बताऊंगा।
तो भी होगा।
टू बी। यस,
एक और
यस, यस, यस। What about others? सॉल्व कैसे किया राधिका?
तो मैंने ए बी और सी हो गए, उसको बी स्क्वायर माइनस फोर ए सी में डाल दिया, सॉल्व कर दिया। उसमें एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड की प्रॉपर्टी लग रही थी होल स्क्वायर की।
हम्म।
उसको फिर स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, मतलब स्क्वायर रूटिंग बोथ साइड्स कर दिया। तो आगे मेरे पास ए माइनस टू बी प्लस सी, टू बी बोथ साइड ले गई क्योंकि ए प्लस सी चाहिए था। बीच में थोड़ी गलती हो गई थी, इसलिए थोड़ा टाइम लग गया।
Yes, sir. Two.
Here, here one important observation I'll give you. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is there, and you get a plus b plus c is equal to 0, like we are getting here, then in this case, one root is 1 and other root is e by a. This is important observation that you can use. Actually, this you have solved, but if you have not solved this one, using this observation, you could have done it very quickly. One root is 1, so other root will, because roots are equal, other root will also be 1. So in that case, the product of the roots, which is 1 into 1, will be a minus b by b minus c. So it will be b minus c is equal to a minus b. So 2b is equal to a plus c. Like that, you could have got the answer very quickly. Okay, this is an important observation that you can use. What about Kanishka? Kanishka, did you get the answer?
Yes.
Okay, now let me give you another question. Try solving it. these questions are not very difficult. They just explain you the concept. Don't think they are very difficult. They're just to make you understand the concept.
तो भी आपका -2r है 2r है?
Sir, 2R.
2r. हाँ, हमारा माइनस क्यों आ रहा है भाई?
पता नहीं, मैंने जब माइनस दिया अपॉन ए करा तो पीछे एक माइनस साइन रहेगा था, तो उसकी वजह से मैंने कुछ गलत करा।
Ripiya, are you getting other answer also minus 2r?
No, I got exactly.
Exactly 2r na? Simple. See, they are equal in the.
अच्छा हाँ, 2r है, मैंने एक
हाँ,
एक्स्ट्रा लगा दिया।
you have to simplify this question, this equation. Like it will be 2x plus
सिंप्लीफाई करके अल्फा प्लस
p
बीटा
plus
इक्वल टू
q
माइनस दिया अपॉन है।
into r is equal to x square plus pq plus p plus q into x. So the equation that you will be getting is x square plus p plus q minus 2r into x. Actually, we need this only. Plus pq minus p plus q into r. Now they have given they are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So alpha minus alpha, the sum is 0. And the sum, we know sum of the roots is minus of p plus q minus 2r whole divided by 1. So this is 0 means p plus q should be equal to 2r. Simple, easy question. One more question I have listed, actually it's not coming, I don't know why. Try doing it. अरे who is absent? One is our Shama and one is Shiva. Shama is not sure. Shama. Shama. He has gone to his hometown. Diva is also not at home. Oh, they are enjoying holidays. राधिका, तुम्हारे घर पे वो वाली पूजा होती है क्या? गणेश भगवान की, जो गणेश
हाँ
चतुर्थी में?
हाँ,
तो
पूरे
तुम्हारे
10 दिन चलेगी।
चलेगी? अभी रख दिया तुम लोगों ने?
हाँ, फर्स्ट डे पे।
अच्छा, और फिर
अच्छे
10
तरह
दिन
आंसर निकल गया।
निकल गया?
हाँ, 2 और माइनस चलिए की बात।
बी पार्ट, हाँ करेक्ट। 2n minus 10/9. What about others? कनिष्का, हरिप्रिया? फिर राधिका विसर्जन कहाँ करोगे?
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं तो जानती नहीं सर।
तुम जाते नहीं हो?
पता नहीं है सब, इस बार सीखूंगी, मम्मी सिखाएगी।
अच्छा, भाई जाता होगा। भाई आया है क्या?
नहीं नहीं।
तो छुट्टी नहीं मिली होगी।
हम्म,
Do you want me to solve this question?
हाँ सर।
Easy ना?
हम्म,
Just two roots are equal. 2 alpha will be equal to 2 into 1 plus 3k by 1. So alpha is equal to 1 plus 3k you have got. Here, product of the roots, alpha square will be equal to 7 into 3 plus 2k. So 1 plus 3k whole square will be equal to 21 plus 14k. 9k square plus 1 plus 6k is equal to 21 plus 14k. So 9k square minus 8k minus 20 is equal to 0. You solve it, you'll get the answer. K as k is equal to 2 and minus 10/9. After this, what I wanted to tell you, See, we have discussed this now. It comes under relation between roots and coefficients. It's not a difficult one, it's a simple one only, but there are few properties that you will be using only if you know them. What is that? See, if ax square plus bx plus c is there, suppose I say alpha comma beta are the roots, you know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. You have been using it now. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now, there are few relations. Like if suppose in a question you have to use what alpha minus beta. You have to find alpha minus beta. So how it will be? It is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta root
under
over.
P upon A square.
No need to simplify, because what will happen sometimes what will happen, a question will be given to you, like for example like 2x square plus x plus 1, like this, and they will ask you to find out the individual roots. In that case, what the procedure is, alpha plus beta you know already, 1 minus 1 by 2. Alpha minus beta, if you know, you will be able to easily able to solve these two equations and get the answer, alpha and beta individually. So then you use this kind of thing, because alpha plus beta you know, alpha beta also you know. To get this, put in this value, get the value of alpha minus beta. So in C, suppose in this case, what it will be, root over alpha plus beta is 1 by 4, whole square is 1 by 4 minus 8. This equation is actually, I have just made it myself. Let's put it as minus 1. Then it will be okay. Minus 1. Then it will be C by alpha beta is equal to 1 by 2. So 8 by 4 by 2. Alpha beta is minus 1 by 2. So it is 4 into minus 1 by 2. So like that, 1 by 2, 4 plus 1 by 2, you can get it. Root 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. Alpha minus beta, you have got, alpha plus beta, you already know. Solve them, get the value of alpha and beta individually. Like that, for this, these kinds of situation, this relation helps. Similarly, the second one is, if you want alpha square plus beta square, you can use alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. See, actually these I should not give you, because these are actually common sense things, but they provide you in the books. Similarly, if you want alpha square minus beta square, you can do, it's alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta, you have already got it here, put it here. 4 is, if you want alpha cube plus beta cube, that formula you know, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, like that you find. Similarly, alpha cube minus beta cube, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4, if you want, you can find out similarly, like these things. Okay, these are the few. There are other others also, other conditions also, but these are only, these you can find using your common sense only. Okay, once you use it, you'll be able to do it by yourself. Not a problem, because you already know how to solve it. Solve these kinds of things in your lower classes. There are few other relations also. Acha. Few other facts are, if alpha beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then minus alpha comma minus beta are roots of, how you'll do it? Put x minus x in place of x, because roots are minus negative. So ax square minus bx plus c. Okay, like that. And 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta. Can you tell me what 1 by alpha and 1 by beta will be the roots of which equation? Like for minus alpha minus beta, what I have done? I have placed minus x in place of x. If you want the roots to be reciprocal 1 by alpha comma 1 by beta, what you'll do? You'll put x as 1 by x. So what it will be? A by x square plus b by x plus c is equal to 0. So it will become a plus bx plus cx square. Okay. Similarly, can you tell me what alpha power and beta power n will be the roots of? Now what I should place here? राधिका बताओ. ये सब नहीं पढ़ा था. Everyone became
ये तो
silent.
न्यूटन्स लॉ है.
कुछ भी हो, लेकिन पता है कि नहीं तुम्हें?
आर्डर स्कूल लॉ ही याद करो. आज ही पढ़े, इससे पहले मैंने पढ़ा.
अच्छा, तो मैं बता देता हूँ.
वेट एक
You have to put x power 1 by n. So it will become ax power 2 by n plus bx power 1 by n plus c is equal
वैसे
to.
नहीं है. नीचे ए के बाद एस एन प्लस टू, बी एस एन प्लस वन, सी एस एन इक्वल टू 0 न्यूटन फॉर्म का.
asn की पावर.
ए एस एन नीचे 2 एन प्लस 2.
नहीं 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 नहीं, ये वैसा थोड़ी ना है, ये डिफरेंट है.
ये नहीं करा था मैंने.
अच्छा.
आज
k
ही शुरू
alpha,
करा था.
k alpha, k beta are roots of replace x by k. You have to actually generate an idea why things are changing, how things are changing. So the equation will become ax square plus bkx plus ck square. 4 k plus alpha comma k plus beta are roots of, put x as x minus k, a into x minus k whole square plus b into x minus k plus c is equal to 0. Rest you will do. Rest are easy. Okay, these are all the things. These are few other facts. Like, see, why we do this one? Why we are replacing this by this? Because all of these things, they work on this the logic. If alpha and beta are the roots of this, they should satisfy it. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c should be the 0, and a beta square plus b beta plus c is equal to 0. On this fact only, everything works. Now, if minus alpha and minus beta are the roots, there should be an equation for which this is known to us. Now, there should be an equation which should be satisfied by this. So, how we'll do it? A into minus alpha, there should be an equation. How we'll make it? It will be satisfied. This is there. So, roots are minus alpha and minus beta. So, what we'll do? A into minus alpha whole square plus b into minus alpha. If we put minus alpha here, we'll have to put minus again 1 minus here, plus c is equal to 0. So equation should be ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0, like that. You have to make your equation such that the given roots should satisfy that equation. Okay, got the idea? On that basis, we are doing it. Suppose you know alpha beta are the roots of this. 1 by alpha and 1 by beta you want. So how it will be? The equation will become a into 1 by alpha whole square plus b into 1 by alpha. No, sorry, not like this. You already know a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. But you want 1 by alpha to be the root. So how you will do? Divide this equation by alpha square. It will become a plus b by alpha plus c by alpha square. It's like c into 1 by alpha whole square plus b into 1 by alpha plus a is equal to 0. And the root in which 1 by alpha and 1 by beta are the roots, that means your equation should be cx square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. Okay? Take the original equation a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, and your roots are 1 by alpha. So you should get an equation in which 1 by alpha is a root. It is satisfying some equation. To make that equation, what that equation comes is your the required equation. Got the idea? In this case also, you have a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. You want alpha power n. So what you will do? You will make alpha power n is there. So alpha power n, you will take alpha power. Sorry, this is there. So what you can do is a alpha power 1 by n whole square plus beta alpha power 1 by n we have to convert this equation in that form so that our this becomes 0. alpha power n is this. We can write it like a alpha power n will become 2 by n. Now okay, plus b alpha power n whole power 1 by n, correct, plus c is equal to 0. Now because alpha power n is the root we have made from this, it will become a x power 2 by n plus b x power 1 by n plus c is equal to 0, like that. This is the idea. Okay, if you are okay with this solving like this, okay, otherwise you try to get it by yourself. You just remember these results. This is the logic. The right part is the logic I have explained, and these are the results. If you are able to remember these results, it's okay. Otherwise, understand the logic. In the next class, we'll solve some more questions and we'll move on to the next concept. Okay, let's end it.